Hello, sixth grade. Mr. Long here to teach you about our new online journals. I just posted the online journal assignment to the Google Classroom page, so you should be able to see it at the top of the page. However, this is going to be an assignment that we are going to do each week, so eventually you're going to have to find it by going to the classwork tab. Clicking on the classwork tab at the top of the page will bring you to all the classwork that we've done so far this year. All the assignments that Mr. Rowe or I have posted will be on the classwork tab. Now, I made it very easy for you to find your online journals because it has its own little topic, online journal, in capital letters. So when you click on the classwork tab, all you have to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom and bam, it's right there. When you click on it, you'll hit view assignment. You won't see this because this is the teacher view. You'll see this. So I'm going to go over the directions right now. Each week, you will be given new journal prompt topics. You will copy and paste a topic of your choice into your digital journal. 3, you will respond to that journal. 4, do not change the font size, color, or style. I made these journals the way they need to be. Don't change anything. 5, watch the video posted by Mr. Long. You're doing that right now. 6, you will complete 2 journals per week. Now, as you can see, there's 2 materials attached to this assignment. The ELA 6th grade journal, which will be yours, and you can actually edit that, and the 6th grade journal prompts. I just realized that I misspelled that. Okay, so if I click into here, I'll actually see a title page, but here's the thing. This will actually, it will look like this. It will look like this when you first get it, and you'll have to change it to put your name. Or it could be Alan's journal or Shayla's journal. Make sure you put your first name and make sure your name is capitalized because you're an important person. So on the very first page of all of your journals, it's just going to say your name, journal. On the second page, you'll have further directions, and it's just repeating what is already on the assignment. Copy and paste the topic from the journal prompt topic document. The journal prompt topics will be updated weekly by Mr. Rowe. After copying and pasting the topic to the top of your slide, write a response to the journal. Make sure that your response is a full page in length. Use proper punctuation, spelling, and paragraphs as best you can. So even after reading these directions, I'm sure some of you are going to be like, I don't quite understand, Mr. Long. Well, that's okay, because I'm going to show you. So I'm going to click to that next slide. And here I have a blank page. And on each page, there's a title section and a writing section. A title section and a writing section. And in the title section is where you're going to copy and paste your topic. But Mr. Long, where are the topics? Good question. I'm going to go back to the assignment and I'm going to click on the journal prompts. I'm also going to fix my spelling error. And here you'll see that you have one journal topic for today. Now, you'll have more choices as time goes on, but we're just starting it off slow, okay? So this is the journal topic for this week. Since you have been home with your family during the pandemic, write about the extra time you get to spend with your family. What are some of the great things you have been able to do with this time? Now, I'm going to Control C to copy that topic. I'm going to go over to my journal and I'm going to hit Control V to paste it. And there I have it. I've copied and pasted my journal topic. I'm also going to write the date that I started it. April 23rd, 2020. Awesome. Since you have been home with your family during the pandemic, write about the extra time you get to spend with your family. What are some of the great things you've been able to do at this time? Well, now it's time for me to respond to the journal topic. I'm going to start writing, but first things first, I need to hit tab, or I need to indent for my paragraph. All of this extra time at home is driving me crazy. This place is a madhouse. Everyone is itching to go outside. I can't even get a smoothie from Wawa. You can see the inside, being inside is kind of driving me crazy. However, all of this extra time has been great for my family. I get to wake up every morning and see my son smile. I get to have lunch with my wife and son every day. My son Liam runs through the house like a hurricane, and I am home to chase him and play tag. To continue, this extra time at home has also allowed me to catch up on tons of reading. I read every day. I read to my son. I read to myself. I also like to play music and dance with my son. He likes the Trolls soundtrack, so we have dance parties all the time. Now, I could keep writing, but I'm going to pause here for now because I don't want to make this video too long, but you can get my point. I would even maybe start a new paragraph. Also, I get to cook dinner for my family more often. I am writing and responding to the journal, and I want you guys to do the same. So please, if you have any questions, you can always ask Ms. Farrow, myself, or Ms. Esteban. All right, guys, that's a little tutorial on our online journals.